this bar of soap in the microwave. Then I'm going to close it. Then
How many seconds are you going to start with?
10.
Okay, let's see what happens.
And then we're going
Is
to
anything happening?
3, 2, 1, 0. Not much.
Okay, so how much do you think we should do it next? Where are you up to? Try doing it for 30 seconds.
Mommy, can you get me a bowl, a plate and a bowl?
What for, honey?
I'm gonna put the bar of soap in the bowl.
But that might affect it.
What
yeah?
does affect me?
That means that it might change how the soap might react. Because the bowl might conduct the heat instead of the soap. So let's just keep it there and I'll take it out for you if you're worried about what it will do. 15, okay.
1, 3.
15, 1, 5.
I mean 13.
3, 0. 30. 3, 0.
I mean, Mommy. What is 1, 3?
13.
13.
Doesn't look like much is happening. Maybe we should try 1 minute. Oh, oh, oh! Did you see what was happening? Okay, so close it back up. Try 30, 3, 0.
Look, it's getting... Oh, look!
Wait. Ooh, it's making everything smell very nice.
It's huge! 7, 6, 5, 4...
Now, what does it look like? Can you take it out?
Can you please?
Sure. Ooh, hot. That might be the only problem.